Are you tired of your pool looking more like a swamp than a sparkling oasis? Fear not, my water-loving friends. Enter the world of robot pool cleaners, the aquatic superheroes ready to save the day. These little marvels glide through the water, gobbling up leaves, dirt, and even the odd stray flip-flop, leaving you with more time to perfect your cannonball. Join us as we dive into the best robot pool cleaners that will make your pool the envy of the neighborhood. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Aiper Seagull SE, our pick for best budget robot pool cleaner. Are you on the hunt for a budget-friendly robotic pool cleaner that won't leave you high and dry? Say hello to the Aiper Seagull SE, your pool's new best friend. This little marvel excels at zapping away pollen and pesky small debris, making it the go-to sidekick for regular maintenance. Just a heads up, while it's a champ at tackling the small stuff, it might need a little nudging with larger debris like pesky clumps of leaves. The Aiper Seagull SE is designed to glide effortlessly in both in-ground and above-ground pools, and being cordless? That's like the cherry on top. Forget waiting around. With a charging time of just 2.5 hours, you'll be back to lounging by the pool in no time. Using it is as easy as pie. Plop it into the water with its handy built-in handle, and when it's done doing its thing, simply reel it back in with the included hook. Plus, its quiet operation means you can chill nearby as it silently whirls away the dirt. Maintenance? A breeze. Just pop open the filter, dump out the debris, give it a quick rinse, and you're golden. Sure, you might need to empty it a couple of times for bigger messes, but trust us, the cleaner your pool, the happier you'll be. With the Aiper Seagull SE, your pool will be sparkling and inviting all season long. Number 4. Dolphin Nautilus, our pick for best robot pool vacuum for small pools. Are you tired of spending more time cleaning your pool than actually enjoying it? Enter the Dolphin Nautilus Pool Up, your new best friend in the battle against dirt and debris. This affordable yet efficient pool cleaner channels commercial-grade muscle right in your backyard, making pool maintenance a breeze. Whether you're dealing with an in-ground or an above-ground paradise, this powerhouse tackles surfaces up to 33 feet, delivering a sparkling clean in just 2 hours. As you watch it glide effortlessly along your pool's floor, waterline, and walls, you'll be grateful for its dual scrubbing brushes that devour grime like a hungry teenager at a buffet. And don't worry about pesky leaves and twigs ruining your pool party. The high-capacity filter bag has got you covered. Cleanup, a snap. The bottom-load filtration system lets you maintain your cleaner in seconds, so you can maximize your cannonballing time instead. With a nifty 40-foot tangle-resistant cord, this plug-and-play genius won't have you constantly babysitting it. Want to take your cleaning game up a notch? You can easily upgrade to fancy features like a weekly timer. Weighing in at just 28.5 pounds, the Nautilus Pool Up isn't just a pool cleaner. It's your ticket to more fun in the sun. So kick back, relax, and let the dolphin do the dirty work. Still searching for the perfect robot pool cleaner? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Beatbot AquaSense Pro, our pick for best robot pool cleaner for large pools. Are you on the hunt for a pool cleaner that laughs in the face of dirt, debris, and those pesky leaves? Say hello to the Beatbot AquaSense Pro. This little champ isn't just any ordinary pool vacuum. It's your new best friend for keeping your 12,000-gallon oasis sparkling clean. After 6 months of rigorous testing, because who doesn't love a product that gets put through the ringer? It's clear this pool cleaning marvel boasts an impressive 5-hour battery life. Whether it's scrubbing the floor, scaling walls like a water-loving Spider-Man, or even tackling that grimy waterline, the AquaSense Pro does it all while casually floating up to skim the surface like it owns the place. Now here's the kicker. It even deploys a clarifying agent for cloudy water. Sure, you'll need to snag the optional kit for that added bonus, but hey, who doesn't love a good upgrade? While figuring out when it's done might feel like playing a game of pool cleaner hide-and-seek, rest assured it floats back up, navigates to the edge, and sends you a friendly alert via a smartphone app. And for those moments when the leaves and bugs try to crash your pool party, the AquaSense Pro's skimming mode has got your back. It's a bit of a splurge compared to other models, but with performance like this, your pool deserves nothing less. So dive into cleanliness. Your future self will thank you. Number 2. Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus, our pick for best smart robot pool cleaner. Are you tired of spending your weekends battling leaves and dirt in your pool instead of lounging by it? Meet the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus, your new best buddy in pool cleaning. With a plug-and-play setup, you can simply plug in the 60-foot cord, drop this clever little robot in, and kick back while it works its magic. Seriously, it's as easy as pushing a button. This nifty cleaner isn't picky. Whether your pool is round, rectangular, or a crazy shape, the Nautilus CC Plus will scrub every inch spotless in just 2 hours. And let's talk about connectivity. With the My Dolphin Plus app, you can schedule cleaning sessions from the beach, your couch, or even while sipping a cocktail. It's like having a personal cleaning assistant, minus the awkward small talk. Equipped with dual scrubbing brushes, it devours dirt and debris with enthusiasm. Need to clean the filter? No problem. Just rinse it under a hose and it's ready for round 2. Sure, its 35-pound heft might make you feel like you're lifting a small child when you pull it from the pool, but the handy handle keeps it manageable. With the Nautilus CC Plus in your corner, you'll spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your slice of paradise. Why scrub when you can relax? Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. AIPER Scuba S1, our pick for best robot pool cleaner overall. Are you drowning in the never-ending battle of pool cleaning? Say goodbye to the drudgery and hello to your new best friend, the AIPER Scuba S1 robot. This little marvel is here to rescue you from those tedious chores, giving you more time to soak up the sun with a fruity drink in hand. Setup takes less time than brewing your morning coffee, just 5 minutes, and you're ready to go. As the Scuba S1 glides effortlessly across the pool floor, conquering walls and even those pesky steps, it scrubs away dirt and debris with the diligence of a very dedicated pool attendant. With 4 cleaning modes, auto, eco, floor only, and wall only, you can customize your cleanup to match your lounge vibe. Feeling earth-friendly? Activate the eco mode and let it save energy while tackling that grime every other day. Clean, with a clear conscience. Forget those pesky cables tripping you up. This cordless wizard navigates the twists and turns of your pool with ease. Weighing just 20.9 pounds, it handles pool sizes up to 1,600 square feet and can clean for a whopping 150 minutes on a single charge. While it may not skim the surface, its smart navigation and powerful filters mean you get sparkling water with minimal effort. Dive into the hassle-free cleaning revolution with the AIPER Scuba S1, where pool time is all about leisure, not labor. That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best robot pool cleaners. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which robot pool cleaner you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.